Hello, in today's video we will be repairing a loose charging pogo pin board on the EB8 charging rack. These steps apply for both 20 and 60 gang chargers. Be sure to unplug the rack from the power before starting. First, we're going to remove the two Phillips head screws. Once the two support screws are removed, you then can pull out the mounting bracket to which the charging pogo pin boards will reattach to. Carefully locate and reattach the charging pogo pin board by inserting the board into its mounting position. The pogo pins will stick through to the other side when properly mounted. Be sure to push firmly to ensure that the board is securely in its position. Once you have reattached the charging board, you can now resecure the mounting bracket with the two screws. If you have more than one loose port, repeat steps until all charging boards are properly secured. If no more, then you have completed this repair and can now use that specific charging port.